Pressure, the amount of force upon the surface of an object. Volume, the amount of space that an object or substance occupies. Temperature, a measure of the average kinetic energy of an object. The can is filled with water, and when it is placed onto the hot plate, the water undergoes a phase change and is turned into a gas and fills the cans with steam. When the can starts to shoot steam out of the top, it is filled completely with H2O gas. When the can is placed in the ice water, the gas is condensed back into a liquid and the pressure drops inside the can. Since the pressure on the inside of the can is less than on the outside, it causes the can to implode. Relationships of volume, temperature, and pressure.
If temperature goes up, then volume goes up. If temperature goes down, then volume goes down. If pressure goes up, then volume goes down. And if pressure goes down, the volume goes up. If temperature goes up, then pressure goes up. And if temperature goes down, the pressure goes down.
A sample of gas occupies 150 milliliters at 27 degrees Celsius. If the volume increases to 300 milliliters, what will the temperature be? First replace V1 with your starting volume, which is 150 milliliters. Then replace T1 with your starting temperature, which is 300 Kelvin. Then replace V2 with your second volume, which is 300 milliliters, and leave T2 because it is what you're solving for. Next step is to cross multiply. So multiply 150 milliliters with T2 and multiply 300 Kelvin with 300 milliliters. Now that you have cross multiplied, you will now divide both sides by 150 milliliters. The 150 milliliters will cross out on the right side, and on the left side, the 150 milliliters goes into 300 milliliters 2 times, crossing out the milliliters and leaving you with 300 Kelvin times 2. The final answer is T2 is equal to 600 Kelvin.